Hello and welcome to another 1 minute Marketboomer session with Tony Pizza. This session is how to work with financial codes against the user ID. If we select administration from the main menu and on the left hand side select user accounts, in this case I'm going to be editing my account. So I select Tony Pizza and I select edit. I select the next button once and this brings me to my code assignment screen. So in this first section we're looking at cost center. So I want to give this user ID access to A bar and D bar. So I hold the control button down and I click both records and I select add. That will then assign those two cost center codes to my user IDs and I can use them when generating purchase orders. Same with account codes. I select the account code tab, I highlight food and I highlight beverage and I select add. That assigns those two codes but not necessarily all the organizational codes if I don't require them. Product area codes, the same. Department IDs. If I leave them blank, I will have access to everything which is in the repository under the Our Details tab in Administration. When you're finished making your selections, select Next, Next, and finally hit the Done button to save your changes. As an example of how this works, if I now select Create New Order, and I select my fresh produce list, and I create an order from list, the cost center codes can be modified from within the order header. So I select order header, and if I drop this list down, you'll now see I have access to A bar and D bar, but not necessarily the rest of the cost center codes. And the same for account code. Food and beverage, but not necessarily all of the account codes. In the product area code, because I didn't modify, I will have access to all of the organizational codes, and department ID the same. This has been another 1 minute Marketboomer session with Tony Pizza. We'll see you at the next one.